Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Arbor Upcycle TV. Today, we are doing a custom project, and we are making some big stair treads and a landing for an exterior staircase for a really beautiful home. And we're doing all these out of Bay Laurel. And these are all the treads are big, 4 foot by 12 inches by 2 inches thick. They're going to look really beautiful when these things are done. So we're doing these, and we got some 8-foot pieces for a landing. We'll start running everything through the planer after this, getting it to the dimension that it needs to be. And then we'll do the final cuts, little round over sanding, filling with epoxy. But right now we're at the start of this, but we're going to see this whole project through until they're installed in the stairs. So this is how we're going to do some Bay Laurel stairs.